Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix AIWIT camera not connecting to Wi-Fi, setup, signal strength, and app troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to use. Then check that the internet is working by opening a website. If possible, use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network as many security cameras do not support 5 GHz during setup. And make sure you enter the Wi-Fi password correctly. Fix 2. Move the camera closer to the router. Unplug the AirWit camera and move it close to your Wi-Fi router. Now plug the camera back in and wait for it to start. Then try connecting it again through the AirWit app. Fix 3. Restart the camera and router. Unplug the camera from power and turn off your Wi-Fi router. Now wait for about 30 seconds, then turn the router back on and wait for the Wi-Fi to return. Then plug the camera back in and try the setup again. Fix 4. Reset the AIWIT camera. Find the reset button on the camera and press and hold the reset button for several seconds. Now release it when you hear a voice prompt or see the indicator change. Then wait for the camera to restart. Then open the AIWIT app and add the camera as a new device. Fix 5. Re-enter the Wi-Fi details. Start the camera setup again and select the correct Wi-Fi network. Now carefully enter the Wi-Fi password and make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. After that, complete the setup and wait for the camera to connect. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.